Now that we have created our account and gone through an overview of the mobile site editor, it is time to get acquainted with our design tools and test them out. This video will go through the graphics tools right here. Just a quick note, whenever I hover over any button, it will immediately show me what the name of the button is right below it. So it's really easy to figure out what you're using. So starting with the logo tool, simply add your logo. You've got a maximum file size of 2 megabytes. Browse through your computer and find your logo which you are going to be using for your brand. I choose this one, select it, press OK. And there I have it at the top. What sets the logo button apart from the insert image button is that the logo recurs on all the different pages that you are going to be using. So as you can see, it's on every page that I have. Going back to the insert image button, which is the second one, I want to make sure that my image is down here, so I just click there, insert image. Again, same thing, you've got a maximum file size of 2 megabytes and you can use any typical extension, which is .jpg or .png or .bmp. So I choose my picture, select OK, and there we go. Now, the next button is the insert icon button. Icons typically are used in part with the link button, because if you just use the icon by itself, it is just a static image and it doesn't do anything. So I will show you how to link the using the link widget down here later on in a different video, but for now I'll just show you how to add the icon. So I can add one. I can add really as many as I like. So the next tool is the insert line button, which is used for page breaks and text breaks. And there's nothing really to it for this one. You just click it and there you go. The next tool is a background color tool, where you can change the background color even though you have a template set. You can change the background a bit. So I'll choose a light yellow for this one. That looks okay. And then finally you have a background image tool. Suppose you don't want to have just a simple color, you can also use a background image. So for this one, again, you have a 2 megabyte file size. Uh, just choose your background, select open, and then you can choose to repeat it either on the x-axis, which would be your horizontal axis, or the y-axis. And since this is a mobile site, typically we will be repeating on the y-axis. So click OK. Loads it all up again. There we go. One thing this does though is it could remove your images. So two things that I would suggest you to do is before you add any content to your page, you should either change your template as you see fit, and you should add your background image before you do anything else. So there we have it for our graphics tools, and in the next video we will be going through our forms tools.